10 Samachir Max, exercise 3.13, second sum. Find the values of k for which the roots are real and equal. Here, the roots are given to be real and equal. That means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. That is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Roots are real and equal. Then b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So now your value is, you write a is equal to, write what to solve for. A is equal to 5k minus 6. Your b is equal to 2k. Your c is equal to 1. So now you know del is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. It is given. Real and equal means it is equal to 0. So you can equate with 0 and find the value of k. So b is equal to 2k the whole square minus 4 into your a is 5k minus 6, your c is 1. It is equal to 0. So if you expand means 4k square minus, multiply with 4 for both the terms. 4 5s are 20k, minus into minus plus 24 is equal to 0. So you will get a quadratic equation like this. So 4k minus, so what is common? 4 is common, you can remove it out. So k square minus 5 4s are 20, so 4 is taken out means you have 5, plus 6 4s are 24, so plus 6 is equal to 0. So you have this equation k square minus 4, so 4 goes this side, it becomes 0. So your equation is k square minus 5k plus 6 is equal to 0. So 6 minus 5, so if you solve means 3 2s are 6, both has to be negative. So negative means add up it is minus 5. So your value is k minus 3 into k minus 2 is equal to 0. So your k is equal to 3 comma 2. So you found the value of k. Second subdivision, kx square plus 6k plus 2 into x is equal to plus 16 is equal to 0. Here also a is equal to k, b is equal to 6k plus 2, your c is equal to 16. So you know del is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 when the roots are real and equal. So 6k plus 2 the whole square minus 4 into your a is what, k, your c is equal to 16 is equal to 0. So it is equal to, you expand this means 6 6 are 36 k square plus 2 2s are 4 plus 2 into a into b. So 2 into 6k is 12k, into 2 will give you 24k. So 24k minus 4 into 16 will give you 64. You have this k is equal to 0. So 36k square minus 64 plus 24 minus 40k plus 4 is equal to 0. So here also 4 is common. So 9k square minus 10k plus 1 is equal to 0. So 1 into 9 is 9. You want minus 10. You know 9 ones are 9. Both this negative means you will get this minus 10. So you can't straight away can read. You have to substitute 9k square minus 9k minus k plus 1 is equal to 0. You take out common for this means 9k. So k minus 1 plus 1 into k minus 1, sorry, minus k, minus 1 into k minus 1 is equal to 0. So multiply and see minus 1 into k, minus into minus plus 1. So you have 9k minus 1 into k minus 1 is equal to 0. So what is a k value? K value is equal to minus means plus 1 by 9. Another one value is 1. So this is your value of k.